What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome to a quick update video of Shooters Hill, as you all know it, but the name has been changed to Hellshire View. Alright, so it's a bit windy on the outside, so I'm doing this video from inside the vehicle for you guys. And basically what's happening now is that they are, well, it appears that they are leveling off the area where they'll start their building process. That is to be confirmed. However, there is a poster being circulated about the units being sold now. But just before I go into that, I would like to send shout out to 2 of our subscribers. So you guys know yourselves, just want to thank you so much. I can see that you have been following, you've been on the journey. So what I'm basically saying is that these 2 persons sent me the flyer that has been circulating about Hellshire View. However, upon contacting the housing agency of Jamaica, they don't know about any units being sold at this point, so therefore we are still waiting on official news where that is concerned. However, on the flyer it is saying that Hellshire View will be split into 2, so you will have Hellshire Manor, which is what is being advertised as being sold now at a price point of 17.2 million, which will offer 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom at 780 square feet. Alright guys, then there's also Hellshire Country Club, and in that section they will have 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 2 bedroom, 2 bathrooms, but there's no starting price for that on the flyer. So guys, we're still waiting on official news from HAJ, and we'll give that to you as soon as we get it. But I'm just going to step out on the outside to show you what is happening. Development. So remember to subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done so, and to turn on your post notification bell so that you don't miss out. So thank you guys for watching this little update, and we'll definitely provide you with more.